What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to build strength at home using pull-ups, dips, leg raises, and bodyweight workouts, a power tower is one of the best fitness investments you can make in 2026. Today, I'll be sharing the top 5 best power towers of 2026 based on build quality, stability, weight capacity, features, and overall value. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. LFEYD Power Tower Pull-Up Bar, Best Adjustable Option. The LFEYD Power Tower is a freestanding pull-up and dip station featuring 13 levels of adjustable height and a maximum weight capacity of 400 pounds. It is designed for home gym users of different heights and fitness levels. This model stands out for its easy height adjustment and compact footprint. The steel frame feels solid, and the wide base helps maintain stability during pull-ups, dips, and leg raises. It is especially suitable for small home gyms. Pros: 13-level height adjustment, supports up to 400 pounds, compact and space-saving, suitable for beginners and intermediate users. Cons: not ideal for very tall users, limited exercise variety compared to power cages. The LFEYD Power Tower is a great choice if you want an adjustable, affordable power tower for daily home workouts. Number 2. Mikolo Power Cage, Best Heavy-Duty Home Gym. The Mikolo Power Cage is a heavy-duty power rack with an impressive 2,000-pound weight capacity. It includes an independent dual pulley system and cable crossover functionality for full-body strength training. This is more than a standard power tower. The construction is extremely solid, and the pulley system allows for lat pull-downs, rows, and cable exercises in addition to pull-ups and dips. It is ideal for serious lifters. Pros: massive 2,000-pound weight capacity, dual pulley and cable crossover system, suitable for full-body workouts, commercial-grade build quality. Cons: requires significant space. If you want a complete home gym setup with professional-level durability, the Mikolo Power Cage is one of the best options in 2026. Number 3. RELIFE Power Tower, Best Value for Money. The RELIFE Power Tower is designed for strength training at home, offering pull-ups, dips, knee raises, and push-ups in one compact unit. This power tower delivers solid stability and comfort at an affordable price. The padded armrests and back support make core exercises more comfortable, and the frame remains stable during workouts. It is especially suitable for compact home gyms. Pros: good stability for home use, comfortable padding for leg raises, affordable pricing, easy to assemble. Cons: limited height adjustment, not designed for heavy-weighted training. For beginners and intermediate users, the RELIFE Power Tower offers excellent value without sacrificing quality. Number 4. Sunny Health and Fitness Power Tower, Most Versatile Design. This power tower includes pull-up bars, dip bars, push-up handles, and optional rock climbing grip trainers for added workout variety. The design focuses on versatility and compactness. The additional grip options help improve grip and forearm strength, making workouts more engaging. Pros: multiple workout functions, optional climbing grip attachment, compact design, reliable brand reputation. Cons: lower weight capacity than competitors, not ideal for heavy or advanced users. If you want a versatile and space-efficient power tower, this Sunny Health and Fitness model is a solid option. Number 5. Sportsroyals Power Tower, Best Overall Stability. The Sportsroyals Power Tower features a reinforced steel frame with a 450-pound weight capacity, designed for intense bodyweight training. This model offers excellent stability thanks to its wide base and solid construction. It performs well during advanced calisthenics and heavy use. Pros: 450-pound weight capacity, extremely stable design, thick padding for comfort, suitable for advanced users. Cons: requires more space, assembly can take time. For users who prioritize stability and durability, the Sportsroyals Power Tower is one of the strongest options available. So that wraps up our list of the top 5 best power towers of 2026. If this video helped you decide, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which power tower you're planning to buy. Check the description for the best prices and updated links. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.